Hi, today I will be working on this Victronic sandwich maker where I have to replace the cable because when it was still hot the cable touched one of the plates and melted. So I have a new cable here which I'll be placing instead of the burnt one, and here you can see the model and the tri-wing screws which I have to unscrew in order to access the cable. So I'm gonna get to work. Alright, so as you can see, this is two phases cable which has only two wires, and the customer that have brought me this machine has brought me a 3-wire cable which I cannot use. So I'm gonna have to call the customer and ask if he will get another cable with 2 wires, or if we can use the old one that I have cut off, which is this one, but the length would be shorter. I mean, it would be really short, like about 40 centimeters or 50 centimeters. So I'm gonna have to ask. Okay, so after a short discussion, we have decided that we can still use this 3-phase cable, but only I have to annulate this one in the middle. I mean, to eliminate and connect only these two, the blue and brown, to the corresponding places. Okay, so I'm gonna try to remove the cables from here, and I'll show you guys next. Okay, so I have soldered these wires together. Now I'm gonna try to put these caps back on, and also some electric tape, and this wire here I'm gonna bend back like so, and then put some electrical tape around it, and then all I have to do is to clean this a little bit and we are done, and also to test. Alright, so now I have to put the back cover on and tighten the screws. but I can do this with one hand, so I won't film it when I tighten this. Then I'll have to test, see if it works. Okay, so now that this plate is put back, let's see if this works. So I'm gonna flip it, and as you can see there are two lights there. So from what I know, the red light should turn on. So let's see, I'll plug it in now, if I can manage to. Okay, seems to be working. So that was it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.